guys, it's me, and today I'm doing a Logan Sanders makeup tutorial, so let's go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is putting on some primer. So I always forget to put on my eye primer, so I'm just going to do it now because I'm thinking about it, so... Okay, now I'm going to put on some foundation. Okay, so I'm working on a TikTok, just a transition one where I'm doing my makeup getting into the cosplay, but I realized with this light on, I changed colors. I am going to be using contour now, so do that.
Hey, I was just editing my video and I realized I said contour. I meant, concealer, so.
So now I'm going to contour my face. So I want deeper cheekbones because Thomas is a guy. Well, obviously Thomas is a guy. That sounded really weird. I was gonna say something, I lost my train of thought. Oh yeah. I'm so tired right now, I can't even speak. Okay, so I'm doing my jawline right now to give myself a deeper, a sharper jawline because guys tend to have sharper jawline. And then I'm gonna do my forehead because I want to. And I also want to do my temples a little bit because I like how that looks, just to sink in my face a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to switch brushes and go to this flat, this angled brush. And I'm going to do, in my cupid's bow because he has a deeper cupid's bow than I do. And then I also want to go under my lips because he has, bigger lips than I do. Okay, now I want to do my nose, so I want to just go straight down. And then under. And then I want to go like this to deepen my eye sockets. Okay, so now for blending. I like blending it out a little bit with the brush, and then I go back in with my beauty blender and then blend it out the rest. So now I'm going to be highlighting my face. So I only really want to use, oh, I didn't even show you. So I'm using this powder highlighter for my cheeks to make my cheekbones stick out more. And it's extremely sparkly, so anybody in real life can see the sparkles on my face, but I'm not leaving my house, so. Okay, and now I want to take this one in this contour stick, and that is the wrong side. And I just want to highlight my cupid's bow a little bit more so that way it looks a little bit deeper. And just rub it. Okay, so now I'm going to set my makeup. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to the eyeshadow. So I don't want it to be like a lot because he doesn't wear makeup, but I want it to be, I don't know which color I want to use. I don't want it to be so much that like I want to wear some to change the shape of my eyes, but not enough to like, you're going to be able to tell I'm wearing eyeshadow. Okay, I'm going to just stop talking and put it on now. Oh yeah, I forgot. So I'm taking this color, it's like a cream color, and I'm just putting it from my lid to my brow bone. Okay, so now I want to take this bronze color and put it on my eyelid. Okay, so now I want to take this like shiny brown color. It's darker than the bronze color I had, and I'm just going to kind of stipple it towards the end of my eye and then work it into my crease. So now I want to take this like, wait, do I want to do that? Okay, I want to take this brown. It's like a very, very, very light brown, and I just want to blend between my brow bone and the color. Okay, I also want to clean up the edges because I went off my eye on accident, so I'm just taking a cream color again and just kind of going over that. So now I'm taking this really thin angled brush, and I'm going to be lining my eyes with this brown eyeshadow. If you can see it, because my hand's in the way. This brown eyeshadow. I'm going to get really close to my phone because I can't see. Okay, so I was debating lining my lower lid, but I decided against it only because, I don't know, I just didn't feel like it. So I'm just going to put on a little bit of mascara just to make my eyes a little tiny bit bigger, but make it not look like I'm wearing mascara, you know? Okay, so now I want to brush out my eyebrows. Okay, so now I want to fill in my eyebrows. And my eyebrows, I haven't plucked them in a while, so they're really overgrown back here, which is honestly good for guys because they have more overgrown eyebrows, so. Okay, now I'm going to brush through my eyebrows one more time just to get rid of any clumps if I left any in there. Okay, so now I want to put on chapstick, but I couldn't find like cherry chapstick. I don't know where mine went. So I'm using this random one that I found in the bottom of my makeup stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to put on my clothes and then I'll be right back. So now that I have this on, I know it's not its exact tie, but like it's the only blue tie I can find. It's not completely blue, but I stole it from my dad. So now I'm going to be starting on my hair. So the first thing I want to do is part it over just like a little bit extra than what my normal part is, just to give it a little bit of like volume. Okay, now I want to take this front section that like goes here. So I want to take that because this is the part that I'm going to be pinning back to do like his swoosh thing, and it's gonna look better than that, but I'm gonna leave that part in the front. I don't know how to hold this. Oh wait, I gotta explain. Okay, now I'm gonna take the rest of my hair and put it in a low ponytail at the back of my head. Okay, now that I have this, I have 2 bobby pins that I'm hoping it's gonna be enough, or I have to go get more. So okay, so I'm going to take my hair and basically do this and then pin it back, but I need my mouth to hold the bobby pin, so I can't explain as I'm going, so. No, that looks really bad. I'm going to try that again. You know what? I should tease this. That'll make it look good. So now I'm going to take this hair and tease like this part of it just to make my hair hopefully like not as flat as it is, because like you can see how flat that is. So because now that has some texture to it, and that actually kind of looks good and I like it. So I'm gonna, except for that little part right there, I'm gonna try brush that piece. That looks bad. So now I'm going to try to take this and swoop it as best as possible. But honestly, I like how this looks, like with the ponytail and this in the front, but I'm not going to do that because I want it to look as close to him as possible. I feel like it grabbed a little bit too much. I'm just going to try to take like that out and throw it back here. Yeah, that looks good. I feel like I need to tease this a little bit more. I don't know, I'm trying to make it look good, but it's not. Okay, now should I take out the pony and put this strand of hair in, because it's going to bother me. I'm going to try it. If that hair could just knot right there. Okay, it's not bad. And now, time for the glasses. So my TikTok and Instagram are down in the description below, and also all the stuff I've used today will also be down there. I hope you guys like this video. Bye!